ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko, paano ko hugasan yung mga makeup brushes ko. So, kasi iba-iba naman tayo ng style kung paano natin hugasan yung mga, and sanitize, may makeup brushes. So, ito na yung may mga makeup brushes ko. So, yan, sobrang dumi na. And this. And also, kung paano ko hugasan yung makeup blender ko. Unahin ko na muna yung mga maliliit. Lagay ko siya dyan. Lagay ko dito. Nilinisan ko na yung sink. Para okay guys, yan, natapos ko na siyang sabunin. So, babandabang natin siya. You have to rinse it very thoroughly. What we're gonna do next is, isa-sanitize na natin siya. So, I'm gonna use this isopropyl alcohol, 70%. And yun yung final step ko with my brushes. Saka natin siya papatuyuin. Usually, nilalatag ko siya sa towel para mas madali siyang matuyo. So, gagawin natin, okay? So, maglalagay tayo ng alcohol. Then, next na natin yung mga maliliit na brushes. Okay? So, isa lang. Yan siya. Guys, tapos na yung ating brushes. Palilis na yung mga brushes. So, yan, napapatuyuin ko lang siya dyan until tomorrow. So, dyan lang siya hanggang sa matuyo para ready to use na siya. Ganyan. And the next is, hugasan ko naman is yung this one. This is super dirty. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung technique na ginagawa ko to wash this. Kasi yung ginawa ko for the brushes, that doesn't work with what you call that, with the beauty blender. Kasi nakadiscover ako ng isang technique. I got that from other beauty guru. Yun, nag-work talaga siya. So, I'm very impressed. I'm gonna use this, what you call that, yung sabon. Yun ang gagamitin natin para malinis yung beauty blender. I'm gonna use this soap, pink, blue, sobrang dumi. Hinaan lang natin yung tubig. Yan. Little bit of running water. Kuskusin mo siyang ganyan. Talagang makikita mo na tatanggalin dumi niya. Look at that, guys. It's so satisfying. Kailangan you have to rinse it very well. Voila! Just like new again. Voila! Ayan na, diba? Malinis na. Ayan na. My brushes are all clean, guys. Okay na. So, ayan na guys. Natapos ko na yung aking mga brushes. That's how I clean my brushes and my beauty blender. So, if you guys wanna know more details about it, you can ask me or you can comment down below. Ang akin lang, the very optional there is just the sanitation, yung alcohol. It's all up to you. But for me, kasi feeling ko when I do that last part, it makes my brushes smells good kasi talagang natatanggal yung mga bacteria and everything. It's just me. So, yung ginamit ko namang sabon is just Irish Spring, so nothing fancy there. So, yun, any soap you can use, kaya napaka-easy lang yung gawin. I always find washing this brushes and the and the beauty blender very satisfying kasi yung makikita mo talaga na from very dirty to very clean. It depends on how you do it, right? So yun, medyo matagal nga lang siyang proseso, but it's all worth it at the end kasi it always go back to your skin. So kung may dumi yung mga ginagamit ng brushes and your blender, it's always go back to our skin. If you really want to take care of your skin, then you really want to use a clean brushes and especially sa foundation. So yun lang guys, and I hope this video helps you a little bit and give you a little bit of idea on how to clean your makeup tools. Thank you!